Welcome to Mining the Maximo database. This lesson is Reports, Part 1. Maximo is a large database, and that data is captured and entered in and ultimately be used for numerous reporting and accounting purposes. Maximo ships with a base set of roughly 150 standard reports to assist in getting information out of our data. Maximo uses a reporting utility known as BIRT, B-I-R-T, which stands for Business Intelligence and Reporting Tools, to develop and also display built-in, custom, and query-based reports. Reports can be designed in one of two methods, built-in or custom designed, which Fred and I have been doing, and also query-based reports or ad hoc reporting, which you can do. Today we're going to talk about looking at the list of the reports that are available and running a report. So I'm in work order tracking right now, and if I go to select action and go down to run reports, what I see here is a list of reports that are designed for the work order tracking application and the work order data. There's 16 reports that are available for us. There are two different basic types of reports. There are a report for just one work order, so that'll give us information or details according to or for one work order. And then there's also reports that are lists, which will give us multiple work orders that meet certain criteria, and they're sorted and set up and formatted in such a way to be readable for us. To run the report is relatively easy. We're actually going to go to the second page here and go to Labor and Material Cost by GL account. So you just go to the title and click on it. Now what pops up is the request page. The request page is kind of the control mechanism to get everything ready before we actually run the report. First of all, at the very top there is help text. If you click the little button here, it will tell you what you need to do or help you with some descriptions as to what the different parameters, schedules, and email choices there are. These three sections, parameters, is for specific criteria that will help filter out the records for your report, and those are customized for the report. Schedule is in order to either run it now, or you can set it to run at a certain time, or you can actually set up a recurring report to run at a particular day or time frame. The last section here is the email section. You can send an email to yourself or somebody else, and you can see here two subject comments, and then you can have that report delivered via email, either as a PDF or an Excel, and also as a file attachment, or you can have it just send the URL, and if someone is a user, a Maximo user, they can log in and actually look at the report there. So for this report here, Labor and Material Costs by GL, I'm going to go ahead and click the Select Value button here, and I'm going to choose the Complete and the In Progress work orders. Click OK. And for the failure code, I'm going to choose FACOPER and Construction. So those are my filters, and you can see they're typed in. When I just selected them from the box and pressed OK, they typed them in our standard query style language. I'm going to go ahead and run this immediately, and I'm not going to email it to anybody. So at this point here, I click Submit, and it opens up a new tab, and this tab gives us the name of the report. This is the BIRT, B-I-R-T, the BIRT Report Viewer browser screen. So you can see it says Reporting, and you can see on this side it says IBM, And here is our report. And it gives us the information in the format and in the sort order and the grouping order and the subtotaling that we desired. And that was all created using the report tools. Now once you have your report, you can see here is the report toolbar. This tells you how many pages are in the report. This is page 1 of 1, though it is quite a long page. And if you had multiple pages, if this was broken up in different pages, you could go first page, last page, next page, previous page. The next button here is table of contents, and in reports that are grouped, such as this one, by clicking that, you can get the groupings. You can scroll down if you want to find a particular GL account, which is the grouping here. We can click that, and it will scroll down to that GL account. And so that's relatively easy to find things without scrolling too far down. You can turn that back off. Also, there's the options to print, there's the options to export data, and there's the options to export the report. I'm going to be covering those in subsequent lessons. So at this point, you can take a look at this. If you want to print it, you want to export it, etc., you can do that. When you're done looking at it, you can just close the tab and you'll be back to work order tracking, and then you can hit cancel here, and that'll bring you back to Maximo. And that is reporting part 1, how to run a report.